Hello guys, hello lovely people. You are welcome to my channel where I discuss everything about earning income on the online space. In whichever way you are watching me from, you are welcome to my channel where I discuss everything about earning income on the online space. Now, here is this product. This product is pure shea butter. This is my product and I have it in large quantity. Irrespective of the quantity you want, is available in my space. Now, per kilo, this half kilo, by this half kilo is $3. That's like almost 5,000 naira in Nigerian currency, but it's $3 per kilo. So you can place an order for this my product and you love it. This is shea butter, and I state here the benefits of shea butter. Now, shea butter is used to boost your skin moisture. It moisturizes the skin and prevents it from cracking and unnecessary infection. Shea butter has a lot of health benefits. Now, it moisturizes the skins and make it smooth and moistured. Also, it helps your skin to get healed and prevented from cracking. Yes, that's another benefit of the shea butter, and it helps fight breakouts. Yes, it has anti-aging properties. So shea butter makes you look younger, fresher, and moisturizes your skin. A lot of health benefits. So instead of you using all these bleaching creams that will not do you any good, please place your order for shea butter and sure it will be delivered at your doorsteps. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.